Did you know Grok can create full videos?
What?
Yes.
Yes, so Grok AI, the one everyone talks about, can not only make short videos, it can create full videos too. First, you see what we are creating.
And Marcus step into the old forest chapel, their lantern the only light in the dust-choked dark. Marcus shuts the cracked door. Instantly, something scratches from the other side. Elena lifts the lantern higher. Rows of broken pews lean like watching silhouettes. A cold breath passes between them, blowing out the lantern for a heartbeat. Marcus holds her close, whispering that he won't let anything take her. The stained glass window cracks, a long claw tracing the fracture from outside. They back toward the altar, moving slow, every footstep echoing like a warning bell. The claw breaks through, shadows flooding the chapel floor like spilled ink. Marcus grabs a fallen candle stand, swinging it through the black shapes. The shadows recoil, shrieking, the chapel trembling as if alive. Elena reaches for Marcus's hand, and together they raise the lantern flame again. The sudden burst of light blasts the shadows apart, leaving only stillness. Shaking, they lean into each other, two hearts steadying in the silence they fought for.
First of all, we will come to ChatGPT. I am using its free version, which is more than enough. Here, we will paste the prompt that I have given in the description. You can create different prompts too. Just change your requirements and keep everything else the same. Then ChatGPT will create the story for us according to our requirement. After that, we will go to the Grok AI site and log in with our email. Then click on Imagine, choose Image instead of Video, and select Landscape Size. Copy your first prompt and paste it there, and the moment you click Go, you will get many images. From them, select any image you like I found this one good, then click Make Video. When the video gets ready, watch till the end, because Grok automatically starts making a video. Go to Settings, click on Behavior, and disable automatic video generation. Then drag the video to the last frame, right-click, copy the video frame, scroll down, and paste it. Download the first video. Then copy the second prompt and paste it again, and click Make Video. When the video generates, again, drag to the last frame, right-click, copy the video frame. Then paste it and generate again. Then paste the third prompt, click Make Video, drag to the last frame, copy the frame, and paste it. If you don't like any video, regenerate it. And with the same process, we will generate all the videos. Then again, come back to ChatGPT and type this prompt. I have already given it in the description. And we will get the script for the narrator. If I want to keep the video short, I will give a shorter prompt and make the script even shorter. Then copy that and come to Google AI Studio. If till now you are enjoying this or finding it useful, then please like the channel, subscribe, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Now let's come to voice generation. Google AI Studio is the best free voice generator. Log in, click on Text-to-Speech, choose Single Voice, paste your script, check all the voices, select the one you like, and click Run. You'll get the voice. The last part is editing. You can do it in any free software. I am using Filmora. Import all the videos and import the voice. Add a horror effect voice and arrange all the clips according to the voice. In the end, increase the volume a little, add some transitions, and your video will be ready. If you learned something till here, then please subscribe to the channel. Your one click motivates me to show you how to make a video with these free AI tools. Thank you.